Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word hunk. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The actor was cast as the hunky male lead in the romantic comedy. Hunk typically refers to a strong, attractive man who is physically fit and muscular, often used in a positive or complimentary manner to describe someone's appearance. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.